Guys, this is Brian back covering Pepe here today, taking a look at this coin and seeing if we can see what's going on here. Okay, this is on the 1 hour chart. Looks to me like possibly it could have some more up room. Alright, if this ends up being a wave 1 right here, okay, I don't really see a definitive other wave down here with a pullback like that. Okay, this looks like a 4th wave. Alright, I'm not saying it is. We'll have to play this out and find out. But if we take a trend-based fib off of this first wave, okay, you take it from your low of the start of the A. We pull it down, okay, you take it from your low to your high of the move back to the retrace, okay, which would that would give us our 5th wave up. These don't always hit full extensions, obviously, but gives you price targets for things. All right, it would end up looking something, you know, this would be your 2, your 3 wave, which should be your longest wave in the move, your 4th wave pullback, which is your most complex pullback, you know, between the 2 and the 4. The 4th should be your most complex, and that definitely looks complex to me. Okay, so the only other option I had on this thing of being a 5th wave up, okay, is if we really took this and this was the 1 wave back here. All right, if that was the case, all right, which it just seems too far apart to me. But this thing has only been out for, you know, launched here on TradingView on or was it April 19th? All right, so hasn't been out too long. All right, but if that was the 1 wave back there, this is on the hourly. All right, you can see it was a pretty drastic wave there, but it would be pretty far away from everything else here. Okay, which would look, it just don't look right to me. Okay, that'd be your pullback and your whoops. All right, then it would be, which that wouldn't give much of a 4th wave pullback there. Okay, so that just don't look right to me. Okay, that 5th would obviously be up a little bit higher, but it just doesn't look right. All right, I'm thinking it's more like option A, that that was our 1st wave right up in there. To me, that's what that looks like. Obviously, we've had tons of volume come in on this thing. Now, when we get this, this is the 4th wave pullback, you can see what happens a lot of the time. Okay, this is Elliott wave theory. You get your 5 waves up, then you have an ABC correction, and then you continue on your way. That ABC, it can come down pretty low. Okay, right here you can see it normally comes down between your 2 and your 3 here. So that's a normal place for that thing to retrace to. And if it ends up, you know, if this ends up playing out like that, if we get this, you know, playing out like this, all right, which these are so reliable. If you learn anything in trading, learn how to use a Fibonacci. They're just a beautiful, beautiful tool. Okay, if we take this and put it on the 4 hour, most of the time you will get a bounce at the 618, 702, and 786 per coin. All right, if we put a fib on here and see where we are at with a pullback, you can see there it is. We are right at that. We came down and touched that 618, and we have bounced from there. These things are so reliable. Like I said, if you learn anything about trading, learn how to use a Fibonacci. Okay, they can give you price targets, pullback areas. You know, the 618, the 702, this area right up, right through here. Okay, is your normal pullback zone. All right, if you're longing a coin or whatever, and you know you have your 4th wave pullback, most guys will get in at that 618, okay, and put their stop loss right down below the 786 here, and they'll ride that 5th wave up. Okay, that's how a lot of guys do it. All right, because sometimes, especially with a very bullish coin, it will only get to that 618 and it'll take off from there. Okay, but even a bullish coin will come back to the 702 and get a bounce from there. All right, and if it falls through that 786, you got bigger problems going on here. But right now, so far, this thing is looking all right. Like I said, if there wasn't a 5 wave move up in between here, okay, I would expect this to be the 4th wave, just from looking at this chart, it looks right to me. Okay, it really does. You know, that the low of 1 to the high of 1. Yeah, I apologize, I did that wrong. Let me get back on here. It's right here, it's 1. I was looking at that higher chart. Okay, and there you go. So we'll have to play it out and see what happens, guys. But right now, in the meantime, I would be looking for this thing to do a bounce on the hourly RSIs at the bottom. And please hit that like and subscribe button. I'd appreciate that before I forget to ask you. Now, the hourly on the regular RSI, you can see it's just turning back up. If we go to the 4-hour, the 4-hour is very high right now. Okay, so. And on the stochastic RSI, the 4-hour is correcting extremely fast, actually. And that thing should be bottomed out here. Probably, you know, another 4 hours, 4 to 8 hours. This 4-hour RSI should be at the bottom. And when it gets reset, usually you have another run back up. So we'll just have to play it out and see how it goes, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, just showing you what I see in the charts. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and we have some more price action. I will get back to you. Just please trade carefully. Keep an eye on this. This is a meme coin. It just launched. Structurally, you never know with these things. You know, just tread carefully. All right. If you're trading, use your stop losses wisely and protect yourself. All right. So, all right, guys. This thing's very volatile. Have a great night. Thanks for watching.